In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter top N values in Excel. If you have a list of numbers and you only want to see the highest results, Excel makes that very easy with a built-in filter option. This is especially useful when you're working with scores, sales figures, rankings, or any data where you want to quickly focus on the best performing values without sorting through everything manually. To begin, open the Excel file where you want to filter the top N values. Once your worksheet is open, select the data range you want to work with. Make sure your selection includes the column that contains the numbers you want to filter, such as a score column. It also helps if your data has headers, because that makes the filter options easier to use and understand. After selecting your data, go to the top menu bar and click the Data tab. In the Data tab, choose Filter. This will add drop-down arrows to the headers in your selected range. These arrows let you apply different kinds of filters to each column. Next, go to the drop-down arrow on the score column, or whichever column contains the values you want to filter. Click that arrow, then look for number filters. From that menu, choose top 10. Even though it says top 10, this option is not limited to just 10 values. It opens a dialog box where you can customize the number. When the dialog box appears, change the number 10 to whatever number you need. For example, if you want to show the top 5 scores, replace 10 with 5. If you want the top 20, enter 20 instead. Once you've entered your number, click OK. Excel will immediately update the view so that only the top N values appear in your list. This makes it much easier to focus on the highest entries while temporarily hiding the rest of the data. Keep in mind that filtering does not delete anything. It only changes what is currently visible, so your full data set is still there. If your results do not look right, double check that you're applying the filter to the correct numeric column and that your data range was selected properly before turning on the filter. Small setup details can make a big difference. And that's it. That's how to filter top N values in Excel. It's a simple feature, but it's incredibly helpful when you want to analyze high-performing data quickly and clearly.